Igbo female names and their meaning in English. Igbo female names and their meaning in English. This one is part 2. If you go through my page, I've talked about the part 1. So this is the part 2. The first one is Iberi. So whenever you hear Iberi, Iberi means mercy. Mercy. Whenever you heard Amara, Amara means grace. Then we have Chimamanda. Chimamanda means God never fails. My God will never fails. That's the meaning of Chimamanda. We have Mesoma. Mesoma, that's the good work of God. We have Ezine. Ezine is good mother. Ezina is good father. Nna means father. Nne means mother. Then Ezi means good. Then we have Amarachi. Okay, I've said that one, which is God grace. We have Uchichi, which is my Igbo name. The meaning is God's will. God's will. That's Uchichi. Then we have Ogechi. 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 Kama. Na. Ogechi means God's time. God's time. Then we have Oluchi. Oluchi means good work of God. Then we have Nkechinyere, or short they call them Nkechi, means the one God gives. The one God gives, like the one that God gives me, Nkechinyere. Then we have Adani. Adam means mother's first daughter. Or if you hear Adamna,